Introducing our premium 14-gauge 2-conductor copper brake cable. With its 14-gauge thickness and tough insulation, it's built to deliver the strength you need for automotive applications, ensuring a top-quality connection every time. This automotive cable is built with stranded, bare copper conductors and durable PVC insulation. It's wrapped in a flat PVC jacket and designed to perform in temperatures ranging from -22 Fahrenheit to +221 Fahrenheit. Our 14-gauge copper with high-grade PVC insulated wire meets strict safety standards, offering reliable protection against short circuits, overheating, and other potential hazards. What's more, it comes on a sturdy reel for easy transport and storage. This wire is designed to be compatible with a wide range of vehicles, making it ideal for utility trailers, horse trailers, boat trailers, and tractor trailers. Available in bulk quantities like 1,000-foot rolls, and shorter lengths also available on demand, tailored to your expectations. Whatever your project size, we've got you covered.